Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making our liquid soap, and in here in this bucket I added my sulfonic acid and Texapon. So I mixed the two together so that it will mix very well. And also this is my bath, the bowl I'll be using, and in here I have 20 liters of water. So I'll go in with my Nitrosol. This is my Nitrosol. I bought it like this in the market. I'll add my Nitrosol. Okay, next I'll go in with my soda ash. So I'll be pouring it into our 20 liters of water. I bought it like this also in the market. So I'll mix it very well. So after a little mixing, I'll go in with my STPP. This is how it looks like. I bought it like this also. So I'll just dump it in there and mix the three together very well. So our sulfonic acid and Texapon that we mix here, I'll be adding it into our bowl, the mixture. So you can see, guys. So I've added my Texapon and sulfonic mixture into our bowl. That's our soap is coming up already. You can see, guys. Number. So next I'll go in with my foam booster. This is it. And I'll mix. I have dissolved my caustic soda already inside this water, then I'll be adding it into our mixture. Now mix it very well. Next I'll go in with my Formalin. This is my Formalin. I'll be adding it into the water. That's our soap mixture. Then I'll mix it a little. Then I'll just go in with my color. With my color. This is my color. I'll be using this color. This is orange color. I'll be adding it into our mixture. As you can see, guys, Soap making is so easy. This liquid soap is so easy. You can make money through it. I'll add it to first. I'll mix it very well. Then once the color dissolved, I'll add another one. Just continue to stir it well. Mix and mix until the color dissolves in. I'm still mixing. See, the color is coming up, it's getting more beautiful. So I'll just go in and add my perfume. This is jasmine. I add just one type of perfume. Okay, let's go back. So guys, we are done with our soap. This is our liquid soap. It's looking so beautiful right now. So you can continue to stir and stir until the color dissolves in very well. And you can pack this also if you want to sell it. This, I only got all these ingredients in our local Nigerian market for 1,600 naira, and look at how much. This is 25 liters in total. So, and if I want to sell this now, don't worry, I'll package all this later and I'll tell you how much is worth if I want to sell it in our local market. So see you till then. So I'll just continue to stir this till it completely dissolves into the water. So this is our mixture, guys. So slimy, so thick, guys. This is really thick. Most of the ones they sell in the market are not this thick, so this is really thick. So I'm going to be leaving this for 5 hours. So I'll leave it for 5 hours to just mix very well. I'm still seeing some little lumps inside the water, so I'll just leave it for 5 hours to soak in really good. So see you then. Bye guys. So this is it, guys. We are done with the soap making, and I got 25 liters in total. This soap, the amount is going to be giving us up to 3,000 plus, and I only use the ingredients is only 1,600 naira. So you can see, guys, you can do this as a side also. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also like this video if this video have been helpful. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.